In my last video I looked at the 5 forward speed gearbox on my Skoda Citigo. This is now a 6-speed Vauxhall Corsa. So the Vauxhall Corsa has the reverse gear, and we've got a little clip up. So this little clip, you lift it up, push it to left and forward, and that's reverse gear. It does a little beep, just to let you know. So as for the Skoda Citigo, we're behind third and in front of fourth. So when we need to go into first gear, we need maximum power to get the whole thing moving. It's like a shopping trolley. It's full up of shopping. Initially, to push it takes a lot of power. So we go into first gear. So it's thumb down, left, forward into first gear. Once we're at jogging pace, and this is for economy driving, we go left and back for second gear, and then that's second gear. And then if we need to go into third gear, it's about 20 miles an hour. I sprint 100 metres at 17 miles an hour. I said on my last video that Usain Bolt does it in 24.5 miles an hour. It's actually 23.5 miles an hour. So at sprinting speed, so about 20 miles an hour, we go into third gear. So that's, you put it into the middle, relax it for a split second and push it forward into third. So third is straight ahead. And then again for economy, we want to go into fourth gear, we do it about 30 miles an hour. So when we're going in a built-up area with street lamps, we do go into fourth gear, so straight back for fourth gear. In fifth gear, we do that about 40 miles an hour for economy again. So that's towards the front right tyre, like that. So front right tyre is fifth gear. And then we go into sixth gear about 60 miles an hour. So that's straight down. So it's aiming towards the far right tyre, rear right tyre, and that's sixth gear. Now, as with the Skoda Citigo, the 5-speed gearbox, we change these gears later to go faster. So the working range is between 2,000 and 3,000 revs. So as I said earlier, with the going into getting your speed up, if you want to go, let's say you need to get up to 20 miles an hour, we go into first gear, we get right up to 20 miles an hour, then we can go, we bring it into the middle and then straight forward to go into third gear at 20 miles an hour. So at 20 miles an hour, the third gear is the economy gear. Let's say we want to get up to fourth gear, sorry, we should get up to 30 miles an hour quite rapidly. We go first, go to second a little bit later, so that we're sort of jogging very fast, if you like. And then when we hit 30, just then obviously sprint it. And then when you go into 30, just go into the middle and straight back into fourth gear. And then we get the economy gear at 30 miles an hour. Again, if we try and get up to 40 rapidly, we work through the gears. We can go straight into third. When we're in third gear, we can get up to 40 miles an hour and go straight into fifth, like that. So the fifth gear is the economy gear at 40 miles an hour. If we want to get up to 60 miles an hour, we can go work our way through the gears, and then we can get into the economy gear at 60 miles, which would be 6 at 60 miles an hour. If we need more acceleration, we can stay in fifth, accelerate up to 70, and then at 70 go into the economy gear, which is sixth gear.